Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my day in the life. If you are a returning viewer, hey girl, hey. If you are new, stick around for a while and see if I'm your type of people. So this week we did not do any homeschooling, which was not in the plans. I am letting my hair down because I had it in this clip. But listen, Sunday, Saturday, and Sunday, your girl was down bad. 4 out of 7 of us were under the weather. And so Monday, we were recuperating. And then Tuesday, I had a project due on Monday. So the time that we would have spent homeschooling, I did that. And then I have a project due tomorrow, my last project for the semester. And so I've been working on that. So needless to say, we haven't been doing any homeschooling this week, and that's okay. I'll just add a week. We were supposed to be done the middle of May. We'll be done towards the latter part of May. So I'm going to work on my project for an hour. I've made a video. Now I need to do the bibliography. And then because the kids have been like such good troopers, I think I need to wash my hair. We are going to do the school store, which is 5 and below. And then I'm going to take them to the pool. And so, yeah, I'm about to eat these 2 waffles, get started with school, and turn it in and be done for the semester. So I'll check back in with y'all later. I have my bathing suit on. My bathing suit because today is all about them. Have my hair tied up and we are on our way. The kids are super excited to get to the pool. So we are going to first go to 5 Below, get some sushi, eat, and then swim on. Let my little guppy swim. Orion was kind enough to send us these life jackets. So I'm going to have Jessie girl go ahead and load them up for our 3 youngest tadpoles, and we're going to put them in the car and test them out. The kids are super excited. Go ahead and put them in, boo-boo. Thanks. Alright guys, we're back. It is 4:35, and so the twins and Benjamin, they're asleep in the car. I don't want to bother them, so I'm gonna give them till 5 because I need to get dinner started, and then I need to get in the shower. But I was gonna put the twins in the shower with me, and so I might have to just get in the shower without them. But I want to, just make sure that I'm nice and moisturized and well put together for when my husband gets home. And so I'm going to go ahead, and I have some boxes that I'm going to open while I'm waiting. I'm just going to sit outside. The windows are down. It's nice. I want to let them sleep. But I have I think I have 3 books. I don't know. Let's open them and see. I've been ordering some stuff. There are some art books that Michelle G was showing on her channel, like one of her recent Amazon purchases, and she was talking about how since Arlene and Co did a video, which I saw on the Glencoe art books for middle school and high school, that they're being bought at a quicker rate because she used to see them all the time. So I picked up what she was putting down, and I went ahead and purchased them, even though my kids aren't in middle school yet. So I'll show you guys what I got. So yeah, this is the teacher's book for 9th grade, and this is the teacher's book for 6th grade, if I'm not mistaken. And these are the other middle school books. This is the teacher's book. So I know Art Talks is definitely ninth grade. Understanding Art is 8th grade. Exploring Art is 7th grade, and Introducing Art is 6th grade. And so they're in pretty good condition. One thing I noticed is this one has that little knack, but I'm the only one who's going to be using it, so. The kids are eating some of this watermelon that I got from Harris Teeter. I'm about to, and they're watching a movie. I'm about to start dinner. It's 5:49. So I was gonna make turkey portions, but what I'll do is I'll prep it for tomorrow because I do have class. And so all my husband will have to do tomorrow is after the baseball game, he can just put it in the oven on like 325, and by the time I get home, they'll be ready. So I'm essentially gonna prep 2 meats, one for today and one for tomorrow. And I'm gonna make a double portion of rice because with the turkey portions, I put a little bit of butter and flour on the bottom, like on top of the peppers and onions, and then so it kind of creates a little gravy, so they can put that on top of the rice. So tonight they're having rice because tomorrow they're having rice with the gravy.
Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you. I only want you. Only want you.
Dinner is done. We have string beans, we have rice, and salmon. All right, that's all I have for you today. All I have left to do is to make up our bed, throw in another load of laundry, pack baseball bags, pack my school bag, and then Mama's gonna go to sleep. I probably need to do the dishes too, just so that I could sleep in and make, and not have to wake up early to wash dishes and then cook. I could just start cooking them breakfast, and then they could be on their way. Like, we all gotta like be gone, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.